G'day. Been working on the underbody components for a while now, and I've got an idea for another Wally's helpful how-to guide. Today we're going to get this rubber off one of the cross member mounts, strip it back to something a bit more like that, so I can get Garth to put some nolathane in there instead. The rubber's a bit munted, so it's quite hard to get off, so it's hard to imagine it failing, but at the end of the day the rubber looks pearish and it doesn't look that believable, so we'll get them done up for all it's worth. It's nice to know the underside will be nice and tight, so I'll run through some of the tools we'll use. Wire brush, these are really hard. Seems too hard for most of the times I've pulled them out for other tasks before, but great for this one. Here's a smaller version. Hacksaw, razor blade, and some pliers. Pull on some rubber. Gets a bit messy. The first bit's tidier though, so just rip into that. First we're going to cut off some big chunks with the hacksaw until we get down cutting into that bit of metal that we didn't know was there on the first one, but now we know because this is our second one. We've got experience now. Right. This bit here is a bit different, so I'll start pulling on the middle bit in all directions. Got this voice in the back of my head, someone telling me that concrete's strong in compression, weak in tension. I'm thinking the same with rubber, right? So if you want to cut rubber, it cuts a whole lot better when it's in tension. So it's going to work around this way, that way, the other way, and then back to this way again, and then we'll go back to the other way, and we'll keep cutting this centerpiece out with it in tension, and then carry on cutting a little bit more and more before we get the wire brushes onto it and make a proper mess. Now for the messy but productive part. And this one here is just a good size through the middle here. Definitely one of those jobs that goes better the second time round. Two of them. Good to send off and get some nice new nolathane on them. There's this one in the background. It's from a different member, but that rubber is actually inside the cross member or inside the body, so it's actually protected from the weather. So those other two are a whole lot better condition. So I might not actually get them done.